Hello, my name is Eric Manirakiza. I am a student at Robert Wesleyan College in the program for nursing education. I want to share with you in this small presentation the observation I made with high fidelity simulation. It is a very important tool in the process of learning and teaching, which can help students to acquire skills and knowledge and professional experiences. It is divided into three phases. The first phase is about debriefing. The lecturer with students go through some important elements to see if they remember some key terms, some skills, the level of understanding of the topic they will be exploring with the simulation. The lecturer will give also some orientation. For example, how to call for a help where the tools are, what they need to perform their skills. And the second time, the simulation itself, the students are immersed in the experiences, and everyone is motivated and try to intervene and to make efforts to act personally and get some experiences. They are highly motivated and they like the experience. And the third phase is after the simulation, students and their lecturers meet again to get a feedback, to see what happened, what were the problem, how they tried to solve those problems, and the lecturer will try to answer to questions of the students. So this tool is very important in the teaching and the learning process, especially in building skills for students in nursing. It reduces the risk for the patient, which can be made in the hospital. This practice will be done without causing any harm and will increase the skills and knowledge and the abilities of the learners, especially in nursing. So I find it very interesting, and I think it has a very good future. I wished this will be installed in our educational system. At the best of my knowledge, I don't see any school in my country which is practicing real high fidelity simulation, because of several reasons. One of the reasons is lack of means. Lecturers who are not trained in this area, so the resistance of also the administration, because this innovation will require money and financial support, and the needs also space for the practice of the student. But I find it very interesting, and I think it will be better to build and install some places in which students can practice and reduce and protect also the patient, because sometimes the student can go without any experience and they can cause some harm. So it was very interesting to see such kind of intervention. Thank you very much for your attention.